Hey everyone, today's going to be my January check-in for my low buy. So this is my new office area. This is my little background thing. I bought this from IKEA. It's called the Helix, I think. It's like 12 cubes. I had a cube unit in my previous home, but it did not make it through the move. It would not fit in, and it didn't even make it down the stairs. So yeah, this is what I got. I got a bunch of furniture. Anyway, it wasn't part of my low buy to get furniture, decor, because I literally brought nothing. Well, that's it. My dog's scratching because I have the door closed. Anyway, so this is my background right now. I do collect some pop figures, so they're back there. I weren't behind my videos previously because I had them in my room, and this is my filming room, so it's nice to have a background of some sort. I have lights too, but I just haven't put them up yet, that I had up in my previous little area. So yeah, so my books are back here and a few things, a sign. So that is the background for my videos now. So it's nice to have some sort of background instead of just the kitchen. Long story short, I'm doing my January check-in / haul. I did make purchases, none of which were against my rules. I don't believe so. I don't remember what rules I set for bath products, but I did buy some bath bombs because I have nice large tubs. So I bought a few bath bombs and a few face masks. So I had no face masks and I had no bath bombs. So I bought a few because I finally got to see a Shop Miss A store. So it's called Miss A, not Shop Miss A. In the store it's called Miss A. So I bought some stuff from there. Everything's $1 if you're not sure what Shop Miss A is. But they have a store because they are from Texas. So there's a few stores in Texas. So I was so excited to go. So I went. They didn't have the sponge I wanted, but I wanted to pick up some bath bombs. I was going to go to Lush. I haven't seen any Lush stores yet, but I'd rather spend $1. And it's all cruelty free. So I went to Riley Rose because I've never been to one. I wanted to see what the store was. They have a whole bunch of like indie style brands in there, which was really interesting. I did not buy any makeup, so that was good. I still have one makeup item from January I could buy. January's over, so that's gonna roll over to February. So, but I didn't buy any makeup this month at all. I did buy a decor item, which is not on my, not count towards my low buy until the end of March. So I bought this because I think by then I'll have everything I need for the home and it should be fine. This isn't a necessary item, but this was $7.90. And I got this little plant. It's a fake plant. I want to get a fake tree for the living room because I like the way it looks. I just can't keep a real tree alive, so let me get a fake one. But I bought this for my desk. I thought it was cute. From Shop Miss A, I bought 6 bath bombs. I already used one of them. I forget what it's called, but it was blue and it looked like this little macaroon. And this one is called Sweet Strawberry. So I already used one 2 days ago. I took a bath. And then I bought cotton candy. This one's sorbet. This one is lavender. I couldn't really use bath bombs in my old place because the tub was so small, but I have a nice big tub and I bought myself a little pillow for the tub, so I'm so excited to take baths. And this is raspberry, so I bought those. They go absolutely nuts. I think I spent like $12 there with tax. So I bought moisture green tea, which I need because my face is so dry. I bought cooling cucumber, also for dehydrated skin, which is my skin. Avocado essence. One, a vitamin C mask. So I got these to try, so I'm excited, and they're all cruelty free because clothing is not part of my low buy yet, not until the end of March. So I did buy a few things. The shirt I'm wearing, I really like it, but I think I'm gonna return it. This is the first time I wore it and it's just not fitting me well. I'm gonna try it with a different bra and see how I feel, but I'll show you. This is what it keeps doing. And then I try to fix it. And then it'll start like being too big here, if you know what I mean. This is what it looks like though. It's really cute, but I think it's too big. And this ended up being $27 with tax. I fell in love with it. It seemed to fit me in the store, so I'm gonna try it with a different bra. But they only had a size 2, a 0, a 2, and a 6, and I bought the 6. So I probably would have needed a 4. I wasn't planning on buying very many clothes, except if I was like super cold and needed it. But my dress code for work changed, so we can only wear black. We wear black and dark denim bottoms. With the denim I'm fine with. I have plenty of jeans, but I didn't have any all black tops. Like I think I had 2 or 3 previously, and then I have like a black cardigan and a black blazer, but I can't use any of my shirts for work. Like I have a bunch of shirts I can't wear anymore. For now, unless they change the dress code, I will be keeping them. I don't want to get rid of them because I do like them, but the ones that I would wear outside of work, I put with my other shirts. Like I'm going to show you guys how much is in my closet. This is just temporary till we set up the closet area the way we like, but like if you look, that's all my clothes, and when it starts here with the floral blouse, with the blouses with the hearts and goes over, that's all work stuff. So that's all I own for clothes. I had to get clothes, so I bought, this is one I already wore. It's in my hamper. I took it out. This was on clearance at Target. It was $9, I believe. I think it was $9. I bought 2 shirts for $25. This is by A New Day. It's an extra small. It's just a black fitted top with a low scoop back, and this looked really good with my blazer, and it could look good with a cardigan too, so I thought that was nice. This one I'm probably gonna wear today. This is a New Day also in a size small, and this one was on clearance for $16. Originally, it's just a black blouse. Originally $22.99. Just a black button-up blouse. I bought this from Kohl's. It was $8 and change with my discount, and I used a store credit, so it's that, just a black little blouse. And from Kohl's, I bought this before I moved. It was $5.26, and I used the store credit as well. And this is just Candy's size medium. It's a gray little sweater top, and it's knotted in the front. And this was nice to have because it's cooler right now. These I bought to sleep in, but they weren't in the pajama section. This is also from Kohl's, and they were $10.92. I bought them before I left, and I bought them in a medium. They didn't have any smalls or extra smalls, so I got these to sleep in, and they're super comfortable. And they're nice and warm. I had to buy something to sleep in because I didn't have a lot of warm clothing. I bought these. These are the only ones I kind of regret besides the one I'm wearing, because this just fits weird, but I don't know if I like these, but they were only $4, and I used store credit, so I might donate them. I don't really feel comfortable returning them once I wore them, so we'll see. I might wear them a few more times. I think I don't like them as much because they're low rise. They're my mud. I liked how ripped they were, and they're size 5. And the last thing I bought was the first purchase I made this month, and I used all my Kohl's cash towards it, which is a brand new pair of Nikes. I had $25 in Kohl's cash, so I used it towards them, and I try to buy new sneakers when I can, when I have a good discount, because I go through them every 6 months or so. So they're almost the same as that pair I have. They were on sale for $44.99, and then I got $25 off, and I ended up paying $18.16 after everything. You can't use coupons on Nike, and yes to your rewards. So I bought them in a 9.5, I believe. Yep, 9.5. I don't know what the style is. I had to get rid of the box when we moved, so haven't worn them yet. We usually just stack up sneakers. So that's everything I bought. I spent about $120, and that doesn't include everything that I bought for the home. I spent about probably $800 on furniture and home stuff, because we did really have to get rid of everything, and we didn't have much of anything when we came here except a bed and a couch. So I bought a desk, I bought this cute thing behind me, we bought a dresser, we bought nightstands, I bought drying things for my dishes, I bought new towels, because we haven't bought towels in 3 years, so a lot of them were older. What else did I buy? But like bathroom stuff, curtains, things like that. It all adds up. It seems like next month I don't think I'm really going to buy much of anything, to be honest. There's a few other houseware items that I need. I'd like some sort of mat for my desk because I have to clean it every day. because it stains very easily for some reason, even though I got dark wood versus getting a white desk. It's the same color as that back there. There's also a pop I want. I like cute pops. That's really just the theme of it. I'm getting blurry. There's another Pusheen I want. It doesn't come out till March. And then there's a pig one called Waddles that I really want. I don't watch the show that's from, but I really want it because it's cute. And I think those are the only two I want. Oh, I want to get Videl from Dragon Ball Z. I'm still debating when I'm getting that. So that's my lovely little pops. I have about 20 of them. Over time I collected them. They were bought for me as gifts. Books. I got the whole Sookie Stackhouse series up there. I have to read that. I have the whole Vampire Diaries series down here. And then I have the Immortal series from Allison Noel. That's about it, really. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you later.